Hello, friends. My name is Abhilash. I am 29 and I come from Bangalore. At present, I am working as a financial professional in one of the renowned mutual fund institutions in Bangalore, operating in the mutual fund industry. One good evening, while watching YouTube videos, I came across Be10x AI Mastery program advertisement, and I saw there was an information talking about a free webinar. Without further ado, I got myself enrolled for the program, and the program was conducted on one good Saturday evening by Mr. Aditya. So he ran us through, he walked us through all those important AI tools. How is it gonna change our or maybe how it can fasten and accelerate our day-to-day work, and thereby giving us a good experience and accelerating our day-to-day works in particular. And it's not only limited to those AI tools. Basically, it blew my mind when he said basically with a so and so nominal enrollment fee, we can get access to tools like Excel, advanced Excel with AI enabled features. That really blew my mind. And believe me, as a working professional in this industry, we have to be thorough about tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Excel in particular, which is very important and essential. And the moment he said basically ChatGPT is going to be one of the disruptor basically in the current VUCA world, right? So that really actually blew my mind. Why? Because we have got free access to chat gpt tools at present, and there are many different AI tools, to name a few, right? So has it basically helped me as a professional in this industry? Definitely it's going to help me. I'm not saying that I have already been through all these course curriculum. I'm learning. I'm still basically learning at my own pace. They provide recorded sessions. They also do a live session on weekends. That is really essential and helpful, and you can definitely get your questions addressed, answered in the live Q&A sessions. And believe me, as a working professionals, I'm able to access these materials, these course curriculums at my own pace, right? And this is really helping me, and I believe it will enhance my knowledge curve, and it will help me survive in this volatile world. Thank you, Be10x.